Just heading back home now from the track school track day, and yeah, what a great day, a lot of fun, long day. So driving down here to Wakefield, just outside of Goulburn, it's 2 hours, a bit over 2 hours each way, so that means like a 5 a.m. start, 5 to 5:30 start to get down here on time, to give me enough time to take the car apart, change the wheels, sign in, etc, etc, and then you do the reverse at the end of the day and drive back 2 hours. So it does make for a really long day, but totally worth it. Managed a PB, which I really didn't expect. What's really exciting is I was down here 2 weeks ago for the Camps Nationals, as per my previous video, and I was a full second quicker than that, and the only changes to the car was the Clubsport S lower control arm bushers that I fitted last week, and I got a wheel alignment. And the only thing I changed really from factory alignment, because you can't change much, is the toe at the front. I just zeroed out the toe at the front, and that's it. Otherwise, it's a pretty factory. Actually, I did reduce the toe at the rear by a touch from factory, but just those two and those bushers. I'm running the same tyres, running the same pressures as I always do, and 1 full second faster. Like, what a great bang for buck mod. They really were. Fantastic. I'm really thrilled with that. Such a long drive home. Got my cup of tea here to keep me going. But yeah, and I think that's it for me for the year now. I worked it out earlier, this is my 13th day on track this year, and we're sort of halfway through November, but now that's it for me. And to be honest, summertime, because we're heading into summertime now in the southern hemisphere, it's too hot anyway. You don't want to be really tracking your car in summer. You're really just asking for trouble, especially with turbocharged cars. It just saps all your power. It's just not as fun. I've had issues too, even with the VAQ diff in this. When it's a bit hot, it just doesn't like it. It starts to just not work that effectively. Even the DSG, when it gets a little hot, starts to play up a little bit. So no, we'll keep it to the cooler months of the year. That's the great thing about Australia. We can race all the way through winter because we don't get snow around any of the tracks. We had cold weather. It got down to 0 or like 1 degrees a couple of times, but it still gets to 10, 15 by the middle of the day, so it's not really a problem. So yeah, winter is racing season in Australia, which I know is like the complete opposite to how it is in the northern hemisphere. You've sort of got your winter tyres on and you're kind of waiting for summer to hit the track. Yeah, but for us it's the opposite. Summer's just too hot. So I think that's it from me. This is probably a quick video, so thanks for watching the video. As always, have fun in your cars, drive safely, and keep it on the black stuff.